Hi, my name is Kenzie Fischels, and today I'm going to be proposing a plan on developing a website and online store for Iowa Strength Gym and Nutrition. This is going to be a great presentation for any small business looking to see the benefits in adding a website and online store. So Iowa Strength, I worked there for 2 years, and I am just very passionate about the business. It's such a great gym. They're located out of Independence, Iowa, and they now have been open for 8 years. They are actually at a 8,500 square foot building where they have been located for about 4 years now. They are a gym and supplement store. So the supplement store is added to the gym where they sell all kinds of supplements, proteins, pre-workouts, vitamins, and just about everything in between, also apparel. And then they also have some personal plans that they develop for the members individually. So there's nutrition plans, personal training plans, and just anything in between as needed. So my proposal for this plan is obviously to add a website and online store. So Iowa Strength does have a website. They have used Wix, and it's recently just been updated to Wix. So it looks a lot better than it did before, but I definitely think there's room for improvement here. It's not the easiest to access. It's not the easiest to navigate. You can't really find everything, especially on my mobile device. It's not the most modern looking, clean looking website, but it's getting there. So this is where most of the money would be going towards, would be somewhere that we can easily navigate, get to where we need, and just locate everything. I mean, it's the look of it as well as a direct replication of what the gym is like. A modern, clean looking website is going to be just what our gym represents. So someone looking up where they should go to the gym, okay, if they see a not so great website, they're not really going to think much of the gym. If they see a really nice, sharp looking website, it's going to attract them more. Okay, so the online store and delivery. So there will be delivery with the online store, all free, local delivery, as well as nationwide. This is going to include apparel, accessories, supplements, personalized plans, memberships, and rates. This is great because we have those retail products, but also those 100% profitable items such as the memberships and plans that we're doing. So great profit margins there. Social media impact. So with an online store and website, we can definitely implement that more into the social media platforms. Currently we're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but with an online store, Instagram's a great place to implement more apparel, more supplements, anything like that, and that'll really attract the right people and bring in some more customers. Lastly, the time frame for this project based off this plan should be about a month or less, depending on how well the trial run goes. This plan is really going to help us take it step by step and make sure we are presenting the best final product to our customers and future customers. The importance of this website and online store can have a huge impact on this business. So first of all, like I said, wider audience reach nationwide and local. That convenience is going to add a lot to the business. Brand awareness also nationwide. You're going to be showing what Iowa Strength is, the logo, getting more people into the gym, whether they're out-of-staters or not. The popularity of it just overall is just going to help bring that customer awareness to it. Competitors, so Planet Fitness, Anytime Fitness, those big gyms, you know, they have their websites. They're going to pop up on Google, but we really want to stand out. Convenience, online store, huge convenience. We don't have to roll out of bed to buy anything. It's just boom, click, got it. Okay, delivery, boom, got it, good. Lastly, growth. So this is huge. Adding this, I mean, maybe stepping outside of our comfort zone, but the growth here could be tremendous. More customers, more sales, more profits, and overall we could be expanding our gym or even creating a distribution store. Staffing adjustment. This will require a staffing adjustment. So we currently have 3 gym attendants. Those attendants will have to get split up to 2, with 1 going to a promotion to handle all the shipping, online store, social media channels, all of that. That will be a new higher position. Also, hours. Those hours will not be able to be increased for either of the 3 hires there because of the additional expenses to this addition to the business. So either hours will stay the same or decrease. Budget, total budget, $5,000. So $3,500 of that will go to the website development. We want to provide the easiest access, navigatable, and clean looking website that we can have that online store on. Super easy to see, buy, anything like that. That's where our money comes from. That's where we need to put it in. $1,000 will go to that promotion of the person handling all of this new section addition to the online website. And then $500 of that will go towards shipping supplies like shipping labels, boxes, anything under that category. Funding. So obviously this is going to be an expensive plan, but the investment is there and the return is coming. So we can reduce the time that it takes to pay this back in hosting a powerlifting or strongman competition, flipping equipment, and selling unneeded. Both of these could bring great money in. Doing a shake sale, so $5 shake after your workout, super easy profit margins there. And then paid gym trials. Currently we offer a free first time pass, but we're losing a lot of money for those that don't end up coming back. Okay, the benefits and risks. So currently benefits here: demand in health and wellness industry. This has skyrocketed. Health and wellness is on the rise, and Iowa Strength falls right into that industry. We're going to flip over to the risk. So this is a high initial investment. Yes, $5,000, quite a lot, but we do have great funding resources that we can do, and it'll pay back. This is going to come back with the demand in the health and wellness industry, as well as the online store. Everyone is using that. Social media, it's as well nationwide benefits: more gym store traffic with the increased nationwide sales, increased profits, and more opportunities for growth. Risk: along with these increased workloads for the workers and owner, money towards others' needs, and competition. So money towards other needs could be like new rack of dumbbells. Yeah, this money could be going to the website, but also we need some new dumbbells. So it's all a matter of what's going to bring in the most money, and those dumbbells are not going to bring in as much money as we are putting into them. Okay, lastly here, I believe, is the business statistics. So these really just kind of wrap up what we've been talking about and share some potential strategies or things that we can implement into this edition. So currently 83% of consumers prefer stores that offer free shipping. So that free shipping, if we don't offer it on our online store, we're going to turn away a lot of customers. So that's a great place to start. 70% of consumers shop small business websites. Huge benefit for us as a small business, and we're very loyal to our customers and also have loyal members. 39% of adults have purchased through social media, meaning Instagram. Like I said before, this is going to be a great start for us to get that traffic going. And lastly, starting a blog on this website is going to be a great e-commerce marketing strategy. This not only is great for the website traffic, but also it's a profit. Wrapping up, so this proposal is not only great because we haven't had this yet, but the health and wellness industry booming right now. And it's only looking up from here. The increased online shopping, we all are on our mobile phones. We constantly shop online, and that convenience point, that's what gets people. And lastly, growth. Without doing this, we aren't pushing ourselves outside our comfort zone to get that growth. Right now, we're at a steady plateau. There's nowhere that we're really going, nothing that we're really implementing that's going to change these profits and get us to a new point. So with that being said, The convenience here is just so necessary for many in the health and wellness industry as it skyrockets, and this could be a turning point for Iowa Strength.